Alright, my wonderful country people, now maybe Chief Imo worldwide. I don't bring better message for now. What be the message? Ehara cap. Ehara cap. They don't come into Imo State and also Port Harcourt. They are here to make our journey so smooth, so jolly, mwayo, and garwe. How can you get a ehara cap? Carry your smartphone. Bam. Are you using Android phone, Legdroid phone, Onodroid phone, Anyadroid phone, and also iPhone? Yeah, Anya phone. You bring them like this whole life. Download their app inside your phone. Just as you have Facebook, WhatsApp, everything inside your phone. Also download a ehara cap app. Anytime, any day. You don't stand for sun don't hammer you, don't forget your bus stop. Carry your phone, press them. Wherever you are standing, their driver will just locate you and carry you mayoli. You bring the different now why you can your destination land. Don't say I not tell you. And the wonderful thing we make them broke baby say you can also book a ehara cap with data and without data. If you download their app, you go see them. And under it, there is a space where you can also do your adverts. You want to advertise your father's burial, you want to advertise your mother's birthday, you want to advertise your products. Whatever that you want to advertise, take their phone number, contact them. You and them will discuss your promo, your advert, your business, whatever will be advertised under their app. The app is in two places, with data, without data. That makes them different and wonderful. Ehara cap. Ehara cap. Ehara cap. Oh no, I raise my leg for you. Thank you. This is the banner, this is the invitation, this is the church. I am live at the St. Teresa's Catholic Church in Mbato Parish, where it will be happening on the 1st of January. You can't afford to miss this wonderful show. I pray God will bring you back safely, God will bring your family back safely, and you will be here live and direct in good health to celebrate with me. Come and put me on top of the world like I said before. Thank you very much. Chief Imo Music launching is going to be great. All these wonderful people you are seeing here, they are going to be there.